Money is losing value, houses are getting expensive, the price of the products you want to buy is constantly increasing due to inflation. Money melts in the face of inflation. Inflation is valid for the whole world and is everybody's problem. What assets do you think Warren Buffett invests in to avoid inflation? What assets make sense to invest money in instead of keeping it in cash? Let me give you 5 assets of Warren Buffett that are better than money. Number 1, stocks. Stocks are the assets Warren Buffett invests the most in and makes the most money in. Buffett has grown his wealth by investing heavily in huge companies such as Bank of America, Coca-Cola, HP, and Apple. Buffett found and invested in successful companies that could deliver high profits and whose strategy, planning, and executive team he trusted. Buffett has taken care to keep his investments diversified while investing in stocks. Rather than investing in a single asset, he has reduced his risk by splitting his investments into many stocks. Buffett knew that simply saving money would not be enough to achieve financial independence. That's why he invested the money he had saved in stocks and other investment assets. Let's move on to the second asset. Number 2, commodities. Oil, gas, underground resources, gold, silver. As global inflation and demand for basic underground resources increase, these assets will appreciate. Investing in commodities can protect you against inflation and help you increase your wealth. Of course, it is necessary to have knowledge and experience when investing and buying and selling commodities. Just buying commodities and waiting for a long term may not make you money. You should know how to buy when the price is low and sell high. Otherwise, after a long time, the price may return to the point where you bought it, and you will just waste time. Knowing the supply and demand balance and understanding the basic behavior of the commodity market is essential. Number 3, real estate. Real estate has served us as a valuable asset class for thousands of years. Warren Buffett has chosen to invest in many types of real estate. These include many assets such as commercial buildings, farmland, residences. The best thing about real estate investment is that there is always a need for real estate. In other words, the demand for real estate never ends. It may make sense to invest in real estate to keep your money's value and turn it into a solid asset. Number 4, artwork. When it comes to investing in works of art, it may sound a little funny to you. Many people see works of art as unnecessary and worthless, but this is not the truth. Works of art that are truly valuable sell for millions of dollars. Artworks are in great demand and are wanted to be bought by wealthy people. Paintings made by famous painters are put up for sale and sold at very high prices. In recent years, most investors have been investing in works of art, thus increasing demand. The art market is among Buffett's preferred assets to gain financial independence and hedge against inflation. Number 5, private equity. Private equity investments mean buying shares in private companies that are not yet public. Private equity investments have the potential for returns that cannot be ignored. It would be appropriate to identify and invest these assets professionally. If we are going to be a private equity investor, it will be necessary to calculate the risk of our investments and to invest by controlling the supply, demand, and liquidity situations. I'm trying to produce useful and informative content for you. Subscribe to my channel and like the video to benefit from more informative content.